Welcome back for another virtual story time. I'm Miss Nicole here in the courtyard of the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Garden, and today we're going to read The Skin You Live In. Hey, look at your skin. The wonderful skin you live in. The skin you're all day in, the skin that you play in, the skin that you snuggle up, cuddle up, lay in, the skin that you beam in, the skin that you scream in, the skin that you dream about eating ice cream in. The skin you have fun in, the skin that you run in, the skin that you hop, skip, and jump in the sun in, the skin you laugh in, the skin that you cry in, the skin that you look up to the sky and ask why in. It's baby born new skin and your family too skin, and glows when it shows that it knows we love you skin. It's face the rain bold skin and snow angel cold skin, and warm again, let it in, sunshine behold skin. It's trembling fright skin and cringes at night skin, but turn off the lights to make birthday cake bright skin. Looks like they're blowing out candles. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It must be their 5th birthday. It's whatever you do skin, be happy, it's you skin. You can't live without it, I'm glad it's me too skin. And look at the shades it comes in, the shades of your colorful skin. Your coffee and cream skin, your warm cocoa dream skin, your chocolate chip double dip sundae supreme skin, your marshmallow treat skin, your spun sugar sweet skin, your cherry topped candy drop frosting completed skin. Your pumpkin pie slice skin, your caramel corn nice skin, your toffee wrap ginger snapped cinnamon spice skin, your butterscotch gold skin, your lemon tart bold skin, your mountain high apple pie cookie dough rolled skin. Now look once again at your skin, and the skin all people live in. So we have a bunch of different boys and girls with all different hairs and eyes and faces. It's not tall skin or short skin, or best in the sport skin, or fat skin or thin skin, you lose and I win skin, nor sad skin or mad skin, you're naturally bad skin, I'm rich and you're poor, and you'll never have more skin. It's not dumb skin or smart skin, or keep us apart skin, or weak skin or strong skin, I'm right and you're wrong skin, nor she skin or he kin, you're better than me skin, I'm lesser than you skin, it's against you skin. It's not any of this, 'cause you're more than you seem, you're all that you think, and you hope and you dream. You're a gifted creation with imagination. You're a new day desire to reach even higher. You're the feelings that start from deep down in your heart. Show me where your heart is. You're the pride and the joy inside each girl and boy. So whenever you look at your beautiful skin, from your wiggling toes to your giggling grin, think how lucky you are that the skin you live in so beautifully holds the you that's within. And like flowers in the fields that make wonderful views, when we stand side by side in our wonderful hues, We all make a beauty so wonderfully true. We are special and different and just the same too. And that's the end. So this story is really fun and it talks about how we're all unique. So for our craft today, we're going to make our own unique handprint. So you can find the cutout for this on our Google Classroom by registering for free at keywest.garden/education. So what you're going to do is print out the cutout and you're going to color it in and you're going to add your name on the line. So I wrote my name, Nicole, and it says, Nicole is unique. And then I decorated it with some of my favorite colors. So you can do the same by following the tutorial on our Google Classroom. As for our activity today, we have a color scavenger hunt. So we're going to look for these colors in nature. So we have red, orange, yellow, dark green, light green, blue, purple, pink, and brown. So let's see what we can find. I've got a lot of nature right here. Well, right away I see green. Lots of green. I've got light green and dark green. And if you look closely in some of these leaves, it looks a little red. So we found red, light green, dark green. Down here I can see some leaves that look yellow. And I also see some brown leaves. So you can find these different colors in nature. You might find blue in the sky. You might find green in the grass and brown on a tree trunk. So you can print this out from our Google Classroom and see what you can find. Thanks for joining me for a unique story time. See you next week.